guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl. Today I'm super excited to share with you that I have the DJI Mavic Mini. This is DJI's newest drone, official smallest drone. Now DJI does actually have Tello. That is actually made by another company called Rise Technology, and they use a lot of DJI part, but it's not actually DJI's drone. The Tello is super small, but this is actually DJI's official smallest drone. I remember when the DJI Mavic Pro came out a few years ago, and I could fit it in my purse, and I was like, oh my gosh. Especially because I find the biggest reason I don't use drones in my everyday life is they're too big. I don't want to have to pack a separate bag. That means checking luggage, which is something I don't like doing. I don't want to carry around this big bulky thing. I want something that fits in my purse. I thought the Mavic Pro couldn't get any smaller, but psych, the Mavic Mini is even smaller. So I don't think we should wait any further. Let's see what is inside. So we open the box. It's shiny, it's pretty, it looks like so clean, so crisp. I love the nice white box. And I don't think we should wait any longer. Let's see this little tiny Mavic Mini. It's so cute, look at it. Wow, it's tiny. So they say this Mavic Mini weighs 249 grams. We're gonna put it to the test. We've got my kitchen scale. It's at 0 grams right now. Let's see where this guy comes in. Ooh, 253. Yikes. Yep, 253. Okay, wait. We left this on. I know why it's 253. Let's take off the sticker. Goodbye sticker. We'll take off these stickers. Let's see how much this makes a difference. And we'll take off the lens protector. Okay, let's see. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh, yes! 247 grams. DJI says 249 grams. 247. I love it. So the reason why it's 247 grams or anything less than 250 is because in a lot of countries, anything more than 250 grams is regulated differently. Here in the US where I live, there are some different regulations depending on if your drone weighs more than 250 grams, less than 250 grams. The rules are constantly changing, but it always impacts depending on what country you're in. Things about how high you can fly it, whether you can fly it over people, if you have to register your drone. But this is so great. This drone is 247 grams according to my Orange Kitchen scale, which means that this drone is not subject to a lot of regulations that other drones might be. It's so small. So I'll give you a little comparison. I have my DJI Mavic Air. This was another really teeny tiny drone that I was shocked after the Pro that they made it smaller, but this is a Mavic Air, and for a little comparison, you can see obviously the Mavic Air is more than 247 grams, and they're both super, super teeny. I love them both, but this one is just incredibly light. It can fly for 30 minutes. Is a really, really good amount of time. The camera isn't quite as good as a lot of DJI's higher end drones like the Mavic Pro, the Inspire. It can shoot 12 megapixel photos, 2.7K video. A lot of people sort of demand 4K. Depending on what you're looking for, this is great for more of the beginner, someone who's not looking to take any sort of professional photos. 2.7K is totally fine. That's great for uploading to Instagram. We'll revisit the box. Let's see what else is in here. So we also have the controller. We're just gonna go ahead and open it. I love that DJI still gives a controller. They don't skimp on that. You'll see no sticks, no sticks. DJI, I love this, is they actually let you screw in the sticks yourself. So if you're sliding it into a pocket or whatever, you don't have these goofy little sticks sticking out. So we'll see where they are. I'm sure the sticks are somewhere else in this box. But here we've got our antennas, and then these just open out so you can put your iPhone or whatever smartphone you use to control your drone. It just sits right in here, and look at that! I found the little sticks. So the sticks are hiding in here. You just screw them in. I really like this, how I think this is a better innovation than the old controllers. The sticks just stick in, and then you can control the sticks just like that, and then when you're done, you just unscrew them and put them right back. I find a lot of low-cost drones just expect you to control it with your iPhone. And my hands are not very big, but I feel like I have fat fingers. Controlling it just on my iPhone, I don't like that. I really like controlling it with the sticks. I just feel like I have so much more control. So this is really, really nice. I'm excited to get out and fly this. Let's see what else is in the box. Not really a whole lot. A cord. I feel like I have 1,000 of these cords. Does anyone else have 1,000 of these cords? If anyone needs this cord, just message me. I have 1,000 of these. This is to take off the propellers. So the propellers here, I really like these. We want to take it off. We have that. We have tons of other little things in here. These are more little sticks in case these sticks pop off. And in here we have more propellers. I'm going to keep these in the packaging. This is what we use to plug in our smartphone. So you can see we have the iPhone, which is what I have, and then if you have like a Samsung device, a different little cord. So what you'll do here is, in order to connect your phone to the controller, I said that you can place the phone in here, but you also need a cord to plug it in. So you'll just place that cord in here, and then this cord connects to your iPhone or whatever your phone is, so that allows your phone to talk to the controller. This is really great because you can see exactly what the drone is seeing. Your phone will display a video of what the drone's camera is seeing. From there, you get a lot more options than just controlling like you would with the sticks here. You can control the camera settings, so if you want to turn up or down the ISO, if you want to record, if you want to switch from stills to photos. You can do that on the controller, switch from stills versus recording video, but sometimes I just find it a lot easier to do it on the phone. You just think you know exactly what you're getting. And almost finishing the unboxing here. We got a whole lot of papers. I'm just going to dump this up. We got the instructions, Quickstart guide. This is really interesting. They have this nice little important safety information sheet. Of course, even though this drone does not fall under a lot of regulations in a lot of countries because of its tiny size, it's still really important that you fly safely, no matter what country you're flying in, whether there are a million drone laws, whether there are no drone laws. We don't want one bad actor ruining it for everyone else. So even if you can fly this drone legally over people in whatever country you're flying in, be safe, and most importantly, have fun. If you have the Mavic Mini, let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a comment, tell me how you like it, and I'm gonna go out and fly this drone. So for myself and for you, happy flying!